Changing the appearance of titles. So once we created titles, we can change it. So I can come over here. I have this title up here, and might be hard to see here, but I do have a title over here. It's parked right at the very beginning here, and so it's got the Chicago. I pick on the Chicago, and I scroll down in my Edit tab, and I can come down here and click on Fill, and in the Fill I come down here and change my colors. So I can pick on a nice kind of hot red and say OK, and I've changed my fill. I can also go to a shadow, and in the shadow then I can come over here and pick on, say, a green and say OK. And it might be hard to see, but I'll have a green shadow there. I can come in here and change the stroke, and in this case here I'll do something like maybe a, well, let's go with a darkish blue here, and I'll say OK, and you can see it, the stroke there is the blue on the outside there. And so I can go around and change these. Now if I just pick on my select tool, I can come over here, pick on my next piece of text, right, and I can just, I'm going to scroll up. You see now I'm on the boat tour text. You know, I can come in here and change the appearance of it as well. So again, I can just come over here and change to a green or whatever and say OK. And you can see how I can change things here down in my appearance. All right. So I can align and transform things up here, and I can change my text here, and in my appearance is down here, and this allows me the basic things here that I want to do, and if I need to change my, I like pick up on my little, if I want to come in here and say, oh, I want to pick up this color here, right, and then I come in here and change that color, right. Notice how it's got that goldish color of sunset then, boom, and I picked that color up. So I can use my eyedroppers to change my appearance as well. So this is changing the appearance of our titles.